ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै प्राणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धं
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
स्तोभम्
अस्तोऽहमनवद्यं
च
च
सूत्रम्
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो
विदुः
विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानाम् चिन्ता
चिन्ता यत्र
यत्र
प्रवर्तते
प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकन्यामनीषिणः।
तं
तं
ग्रन्थम्
ग्रन्थं
वार्तिकम्
वार्तिकं
प्राहुः
प्राहुः
वार्तिकन्यामनीषिणः
वार्तिकन्यामनीषिणः।
पृथ्व्या शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया
प्रत्यया
शिवसूत्राणि
शिवसूत्राणि
आदेश
आदेशागमस्तथा
आगमास्तथा।
धातुपाठो गणपाठः उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धतुपाठो
धातुपाठो
गणपाठः
गणपाठः
उपदेशाः
उपदेशाः
प्रकीर्तिताः
प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ
तत्तृतीयोऽध्यायः
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः
प्रथमः
पादः।
पादः
प्रत्ययः
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 परश्च
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 आद्युदात्तश्च
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 अनुदातौ सुप्रितौ
अनुदात्तौ
उदात्तौ
सुप्तितौ
सुप्तौ
गुप्तिष्किद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिष्किद्भ्यः
गुप्तिकिद्भिः
सन्
सन्
मान् भदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान्
मान्
बददांशान्भ्यो
बदतांशान्भ्यो
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
तातो कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः
धातोः
कर्मणः
कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां
समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां
वा
वा
सुप आत्मनख्य च
शुभ
आत्मनः
आत्मनः
च
च
काम यच्च
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
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 अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्।
करणाचेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुह्यं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः विप्पा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपद्येभ्यः क्विबा वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यश्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्चोर्लोपश्च हलः
लोहितादिडाज्व्यख्यश
लोहितार्यगाज्व्यः
कष्टाय क्रमणे
काय क्रमणे
कर्मणोरो मन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो तपोभ्यं वर्तिचरो
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुपमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रखण्डमेघेभ्यः खरणे
शब्दवैरकमहामृगवेगे करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
काद्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रगक्य च
नमो वरिवश्चित्रज्ञः च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवराणिङ्
च भाण्डचीवराणि
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततोस्तेभ्यो निच्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्मणलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकृततोस्तेभ्यो णिच
धातोरेखाचोहलादेख्र्याः समभिहारे यङ्
धातोरेकाचोहलदेक्रिया समाभिहरेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजबदगदशगृभ्यो बहवगर्घायाम्
रूपसदचर जप जपदः दशघ्रेभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोभत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातोलिश्लोकसेनालोमत्वा च वर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच
हेतुमति च
वति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
कुपूधूपविच्छिपणिपणिभ्य आयः
उपोधुपविचपनिभ्य आयः
हृतेरीयङ्
तेरीयं
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णि
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
आदाय आर्धधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ताधातवः
सनाद्यन्ताधातवः
सितासीलुटोः
स्यतासीलुटोः
सिब्बगुलं लेटी
बहुलं लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादावमन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
जादिश्च गुरुमतो ऋच्छः
तयायासश्च
अयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
विजग्रदिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
बीह्रीभृहुवां श्लुवच्च
बीह्रेवां श्लुवच
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटे
विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विधां कुर्वन् त्वीत्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां शकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विद्दामकृण्यति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमया मकः पावयां क्रियादिविदामक्रन्निति छन्दसि
च्लीलुङि
क्षिलुङि
च्लेघेसि च
श्लेषि च
शलैकुपधादलिटक्सः
शलैकुपधानिटक्सः
श्लिश आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
न दृशः
दृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः चङ्
निश्रीदृस्त्रुभ्यः कर्तरि छन्
विभाषाधेष्व्योः
भाषाभेदिष्वयोः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
गुपेश्छन्दसि
नोनयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
नोनयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
अस्यति वक्तिक्यादिभ्योऽङ्
अस्यति वक्त्यादिभ्यों
लिपिसि चिह्वश्च
लिपिसिचिस्वश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेशन्यतरस्याम्
उषादितानुदितः परस्मैपदेषु
उषादिद्युतादरलितिपरस्मैपदेषु
सर्ति शास्त्यर्तिभ्यश्च
सर्ति शास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
इरितो वा
वा
जृस्तम्भु मृचु म्लुचु ग्लुचु 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 ग्लुञ्चु श्विभ्यश्च
जरैस्तम्भो मृचो म्लुचो वृचो ग्लुचो ग्लुञ्चो श्विभ्यश्च
कृमृद्रुगिभ्यश्छन्दसि
कृभ्यश्छन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
चिन्ते पदः
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिभ्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
अचकर्म कर्तरि
चः कर्म कर्तरि
दुहश्च
श्च
न रुदः
नरदः
तपोनुतापे च
तपोनुतापे च
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
दिवाद्भ्यश्य
वा भ्राशब्लाश भ्रमक्रमक्लमूत्रसी त्रुटिलशः
वाभ्रशब्लाशभ्रमुक्रमुक्लमुत्रसि त्रुटिलशः
यशोऽनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वाद्भ्यश्च
श्रुवश्च च
श्रुवश्रश्च
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
शून्यतरस्याम्
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तनूकरणे तक्षः
रुदादिभ्यश्यः
तुदाद्भ्यक्षः
रुदादिभ्यश्नम्
तुदाद्भ्यश्यक्ष्णम्
तनादिकृङ्व्य ऊः
तनादिकृभ्यः
दिन्विकृण्व्योरच
दिविकृन्भ्योरच
क्रयादिभ्यश्ना
अयाभ्यश्नः
स्तम्भुस्तुम्बुस्कम्बुस्कुम्बुस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्भोस्तम्भोस्कम्भोस्कम्भ्यश्नुश्च
फलश्नशानज्जौ
फलश्नश्चानजौ
छन्दसि शायजपि
छन्दसि
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
व्यत्ययो बलम्
लिङ्गाशिष्यन्
ज्ञाशिष्यम्
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
तपस्तपकर्मकस्यैव
तपस्तपकर्मकस्यैव
न दुगस्नुनमाम्यक्षिणौ
न दोहस्नुनमां यक्षिणौ
कृषिरञ्जोः प्राचांश्यन् परस्मै पदं च
कुशीरञ्जुः प्राचंस्यं परस्मैपदं च
धातोः
धातोः
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थम्
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थम्
कृदतिङ्
क्रीडति
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
स्वरूपो स्त्रियाम्
We have seen up to Rudadi Vishnam, right? Last class.
Yes.
रुदादिहि इति सप्तम गण धातवः रुदादिभ्यः रुदादिगणः सप्तमगणः धातोः परः श्नम् कर्तरि सार्वधातुके श्नम् being a pratyaya and also acting like an argument, therefore it comes after the last H midachantyat paraha. By that we saw the derivations runadhi, remember
Yes.
we saw rudir dhato runadhi rundataha rundata rundaha rundaha then rundanti. It's my chidir dhatu. Chinatti, Chintaha, Chindanti. Okay, now let us see the next sutra. Here we have to see 217. Tanadi kring byaha uhu. Tanadi is which conjugation? Ninth conjugation. Sorry, eighth conjugation. Tanayana. Dhatu kr also belongs to eighth conjugation, but it is separately mentioned. Means some for reason it is mentioned. We may not appreciate the reason now here. I told you, in fact, what is the reason. You remember the reason? Why krudatu is mentioned separately? Why it is said tanadi krimbyaha? Tanadi byaha itself is enough, no? Tanadi byaha uhu. Why? Tanadi patadeva upratyaya siddhe karotehi upadanam niyamartham. That is anyata tanadi karyam abhut iti. Why it is specifically mentioned, even though krudatu belongs to tanadi group. Conjugation is tanadi dhatu, dhatu, kru dhatu belongs to tanadi gana, upratyaya, gana vikarana is going to come. But anyat karyam, tanadi karyam, mabhut. That is in the case of lung lakara and all, some karya will happen. That karya, tanadi karya, specifically for lung lakara and all, some karyas are given. That karya will not happen for kru dhatu. That is why krubhyaha separately mentioned. Dhatu kru also will take upratyaya. That otherwise I mean separating mentioning that is not required. Kru dhatu already is tanadikara dhatu only. Why is it mentioned? Reason is all the tanadikaryas will not happen for kru dhatu. There are some sutram in the sutra pata by which the tanadikara dhatu will undergo certain karyas. So those all the karyas will not happen for kru dhatu. That is why separately mentioned. That is the reason. What karyas and all is not required for us. Don't worry. So tanadi krimbyaha uhu. Kartari sarvadhatike kaminga sanurti and adhikar sutras or pratyaha parascha. All this only we have seen now. It's revision only. Kartari sarvadhatike kaminga sanurti from 3168. Remember. Kartari sarvadhatike pratyaye pare tanadi krimbyaha dhatoho paraha uhu. Upratyah bhavati. Kidrishah pratyah uhu. Vadatu kopi. What type of pratyah is u?
Arpit.
Adadatuka pratyah. Suppose Adadatuka pratyah. For Angakarya?
No Angakarya.
Why, sir? You don't like performing Angakarya? It is not a kit, right?
Yes.
Akit.
Then why no Angakarya? Angakarya will happen. Provided the dhatu ending with Anga ending with ik letter or penultimate is rasvaik. Anga will happen. Why Angakarya is negated?
Yes.
Only in the case of sarvadhatuka pratyaya, if it is apit, then it will be ngitvat, no Angakarya. In the case of adadhatuka pratyaya, if it is kit or git or ngit, if it is mentioned, the pratyaya should have that letter, not there here. Anga Karya, if it is possible, it will happen. Why not? Anga must have the condition,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So therefore, this is Sutram. And this Sutram is Apavada to 3168. 3168 ordains what? Kartari Sarvadhatike Shap. This sutra dismisses Shap and ordains U for eighth conjugation dhatus, which includes Kru also. That is the meaning.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Then कर्तरि सार्वधातुके प्रत्यय परे तनादि गणस्य धातोः परः उः प्रत्ययः विधीयते. Tan is the first dhatu, tanu. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagada vyaktamurtina comes in Gita. Tanu means vistare, spread. Tataha. Tataha means not tasmat. That is tasmat is one meaning is there. Other one is tan plus ta pratyaya, nishta pratyaya. Tataha, that is also tataha. In Gita it comes. Maya tatam idam sarvam jagada vyaktamurtina. Right?
Yeah.
It is there. Okay. Fine. तनु विस्तारे इति एवम् आदिभ्यः धातुभ्यः then कृङ्गश्च धातु कृङ् and धातु कृङ् धातु ngakara is it letter, therefore it is ubhayapadi, right? We have seen Svaritaha it letter. If Svarita is it letter, then कर्तव्यप्राये क्रियापले आत्मनेपदी भवति, परगामी क्रियापले परस्मैपदी भवति.
Yes.
If it is Atmanepadi, then Atmanepada Pratyaya will come after the Dhatu. If it is Parasmepadi, then Parasmepada Pratyayas. Okay. Therefore, when a Sarvadhatike when a Pratyaya follows Kartari, then U Pratyaya Bhavati Dhatoho Paraha. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
This is Apavada to Shap. So this is the reason why Kri Dhatu especially mentioned. Anadi Patat Eva U Pratyaya Siddhe. Karotehe means Kri Dhatoho ityartaha. That is the meaning. Karotehe upadanam, presenting the dhatu, kru dhatu, specially is for restricting the scope of application of all the karyas which happen for tanadigana. All the karyas which happen for tanadigana dhatu will not happen for kru dhatu. That is why kru is specifically mentioned in the sutram. Follow.
Yes.
That is, don't worry about it now. We are not interested because that will applicable only for some cases where tanadigana dhatu undergoes some changes where it is mentioned. Then only. So pratyaya U is ordained after the dhatus of the tanadigana and the dukkering dhatu when a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows kartari. So what will be the latlakara pratama purusha ekavachanam of the dhatu tan stare, tan plus tip? What do you get?
Tanot.
Tan
Tanot.
plus
Tanot.
not tanvat, sir. Tan plus tip pratyaya. Then after that, what is the next step?
Ganavikaram will come.
Ah,
Tan plus
kartari
U.
sarvadhatuke. When tip pratyaya follows, kartari sarvadhatuke, ganavikarna will come. Then tan plus
Tan plus
U
U.
plus
Tanu.
tip,
Plus
right?
T. Yes.
Now what is Yanga? Tan is Yanga for
U.
U. Tan plus U is Yanga for tip.
Tip.
U. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Can it cause Angakarya? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, but there is no.
Arda Dhatuka.
Hmm?
Arda Dhatuka. U is Arda Dhatuka, right?
Sorry. U Adhatuka pratyaya. Shamita. So can it cause Angakarya?
Yes, but this
Can cause, but the
Anga
Anga
is
doesn't have the
Yes.
conditions.
Yes, doesn't have the condition. Therefore, you cannot do. So tan plus U you add. What do you get?
Tanu.
Tanu. Tanu followed by tip pratyaya. Then tan plus U is Tanu. Now, Tanu is the Anga. Tanu plus Tip. Tanu plus the Anga for Tip. This is Tip. Can Tip Pratyaya cause Anga Karya?
Yes.
Yes, because Anga ending with U, which is a Nick letter. Therefore, U will become O. Tanoti. Iti Rupam. What about Tan plus Tas? Tan plus U plus
Because
Tas.
here,
Then,
here is a pit.
yes,
Then no one
it is a pit. Tas is a pit.
This is a pit. Yes.
Tan plus U, Tan cannot undergo Anga Karya because of U, because there is no condition. So just join Tanu plus Tas. Tanu is the Anga for Tas. Can Tas cause Anga Karya? No,
No.
because Tas is Saradhatukam, apit. Therefore, Nitvat. Therefore, no Anga Karya. Therefore, what will happen? Just join
Just join. Tanu
Tanu Tas, Tanu Taha, Padantakara becoming Ru becoming Repa. Repa is nothing but Visarga, Karavasani, Visarjaniyaha, Tanu Taha. Similarly, Tanu plus Anti, sorry, Tan plus Anti,
Yes.
hmm.
Here also Ganavikaram will come. Then Tanu.
Tan plus U, again same thing. Tanu plus Anti, Tanu is Anga, Paranti, and can Anti cause Anga Karya? No.
No.
No, also is a pit.
Therefore, you get
Tanvanti.
Tanvanti.
what's Sandhi?
Yansan.
Simple and Sandhi. Right?
Yes.
Hmm. And here you can note
Correct.
Padantanakara. Sorry, Apadantanakara. Apadantanakara, what happens? What happens?
Padantanagaram. Nascha Padantasya Jali. Yes.
Apadantanakara followed by Nascha Apadantasya, Nascha Padantasya Jali. But here, why is not a Jal letter? So this Nakara will not undergo any change, Anuswara change. Whereas this Nakara,
Correct.
followed by Takara, Jal letter, will undergo Anuswara. Then Anuswara followed by Anuswara is a letter, Parasvarnaha. So Anuswara will be replaced by Savarna letter of the Tavarga, which is fifth letter of the class, which is Nakara. Again, back to Tanmanti. You understand?
Yes.
So here we have to apply Nascha Padantasya Jalli 8-3-24. Right? Then after that, Anuswara is a
Parasavarnaha.
Parasvarna 8-3-58.
Yes.
8-4.
8-4.
8-4.
That's how you get it. Other forms you can always do it. The next one, Kriyadibhyaha Shna. Kriyadi, the first dhatu of the ninth conjugation. Kri dhatu. Kri plus Adibhyaha, Kriyadibhyaha, Sandhi. Yan Sandhi. Shna is the Kana Vikarana. Content is
Na.
content of the Kana.
Sna.
Na. Na only. Shakara is it letter by what sutram?
Rashakotadite.
Yes, therefore content is only na. So after the ninth conjugation dhatu, na gana vikarana will come kartari sarva dhatu. Okay, this is also apavada to shapah apavadaha. All things same. Kartari sarva dhatu ke pratyaya pare kriyadibhyah dhatubhyah parahashna pratyaya vidiyate. Dhatu is decreeing dhatu. This is also obeypadi. Nakara is it letter. Dravya Vinimaye means Kri means to what? Buy. Kri. Vikri means to sell. With V Upasarga means to sell. Okay. Iti eva madibhyah dhatubhyah shna pratyaya bhavati kartri sarvadhatike, and this is apavada to shap. Shna being a sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Yes or no? Sarvadhatukam or not? Yes.
Yes.
Shit. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya is ordained after the dhatu kriyadigana when a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows. Like the example, Kri plus tip, what will happen? Kri plus kartari sarvadhatike shap will come, but shap is negated by the sutra kriyadigya shna. For shna will come. Kri plus shna. Kri is yanga for shna. Kri plus shna is yanga for tip. Can shna do any yanga karya to kri? Yes or no?
No.
No. Why?
Apit.
Apit.
Sarvadhatka.
For kri plus shna, content is shna. Kri na plus ti. Right? Can kri na, can tip do yanga karya?
Can, but
Not
the
possible.
Gana doesn't have the conditions because
Yes. Therefore,
Haswa.
yeah. Therefore, it will not happen. Therefore, you get kri, and after that, yeah, repa is a
Yes.
Nattum will happen. At Kuppandu Mevayapi. So Krinati. Right?
Yes.
So Krinati is Rupam. What is Madhima Purusha Dvivachana? Sorry, Prathama Purusha Dvivachana. Replace tip by tas. What is the form? That's why you have to do mental calculation. Huh?
Taha.
Krinataha. But it is not Krinataha. One more. The Sutram is, you learn all those things later when we see ninth conjugation, but I have written here. Kri plus shna plus tas. Tas is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Fine, but it is apit. No anga karya possible. Kri na tas. Now here what will happen? What pratyaya is this?
Sarvadhatka Apit.
Sarvadhatukam.
Haladi Sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya. Apit is going to be ngit. Dhatu beginning with hal, right? Haladi Sarvadhatuka. Hali. When Haladi Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, then shna, that a is replaced by e is a rule. When Haladi Sarvadhatuka kit or ngit pratyaya follows. Here Sarvadhatuka apit is ngitvat. Those rule and all we will see. E, ali, go, ho later. I'm saying the rule only in words in English. When in a haladi, saradhaduka, kittar ngit pratyaya follows, the shna gana vikaranasya a is replaced by e. Therefore, krini. Then after that, natvam, krini taha. Understand?
Yes.
Then what about Bahuvachanam? Kri plus anti. Tell me.
Okay.
Krinanti.
Kri nanti. Here also Sarvadhatuka pratyaya, apit pratyaya follows. Why not replace by na by e? Because it is
Not hal.
ajadi. Only when haladi sarvadhatuka kit or ngit pratyaya follows, na will be that's a will be replaced by e. Here ajadi. Therefore, what will happen? This a will drop. Will drop. Lopaha bhavati. Okay.
Yeah, we'll drop.
Shna abhyastayoho ataha lopaha, one sutram is there.
Oh, okay. One sutra is there.
Sorry?
No, I
Another
was
sutra.
thinking
I have
why.
not written the sutra and a lot required.
One sutra is there.
Shna abhyastayoho ataha lopaha. Akara of na, that a will drop when haladi sarodhatuka kittar pit pratyaya follows. Just remember this. So whatever the wording I said in English, please note. I'll give you homework. You can try because the dhatu is a ubhayapadi. You can try atmanipadi forms. I'll help you. Now after dropping, what happens? dropping by 64112. This is a rule. By that, it is dropped. Shtabhyastayoho ataha lopaha bhavati. Therefore, you have kreen. Then kreen plus anti, kreenanti, then nattam also happens. Nattam happens by the sutra. Atkup bong num yavaye api 842. Therefore, kreenati, kreenitaha, kreenanti. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
And also here, these things you have to do it. Huh? Apadanta nakara is there. So you make it here. You know. So here, if you follow the steps, you have to do like this. Kreenanti. Then you can say kreenanti. How? Then after that, nattam happens. This Apadanta nakara become Manuswara by the sutra. What? Nashcha Padanta Sijali 8324, right?
20, yes.
Then after that, Anuswara is replaced by Parasvarna by sutra.
8, 4.
Actually, this one
That
is
later, that
is
comes later.
late. Yes.
That you do like this. Then you do here. If you follow the steps to be done like this, it's okay. If you understand it, it's done. The Anuswara is 8 by Asavarnaha because it comes later in the Tripadi 8458. This is the sequence of application of the rule. This is how we have to do it. But many things I take it for granted. Okay. You don't do it, huh? You do it
Okay.
systematically, step by step, you do it.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Understand.
All the operations sequentially you perform. Now, how this is applied means you apply for the whole word. Then I got 842 and 8458. Understand?
Understand.
Yes.
Okay. Then what about Kri plus Sip? Anything happens here?
No.
Nothing, because this is a Pit Pratyaya. Please note. Only
Yes.
when Haladi Kittarngit Pratyaya, Ajadi Kittarngit Pratyaya, some change will happen for now. Otherwise, nothing happens. If Angakarya possible, do it. Otherwise, just join. Krinasi only. Like Krinati, Krinasi. What about here? Kri plus Tas.
Now we have the change.
Kri plus Na plus Tas. Then
This is hard.
followed by Haladi Saradhataka Pratyaya, which is Nit Pratyaya. Therefore, Na, that A will be replaced by E. Therefore, Krini, Krinitaha. And Ta will become Krinita. Simple, right?
Yes.
This you have to do it. Krinite. How do you get Krinite? Kri plus Shna plus what's the Pratyaya?
Ta.
Now here onwards you can note. I have marked all the Saradhataka Pit Pratyaya by in red color. Okay. This is Latlakara. What type of Lakara this is? Lakara is Latlakara,
Nandagara, yes.
right? Not only Latlakara, any Lakara. If it is Pit, I have marked in yellow color. Hal. So I have marked this color. Here, Thas, Va, Ma, Tha. Here the Pratyaya beginning with A, Ajadi. So if it is Ajadi Pratyaya, this color. If it is Aladi Pratyaya, the gray, this color, whatever the color is. You understand? But all are what?
Yes.
Apit. Now here what will happen? Kri plus Na plus Te. As it happened here for Aladi, Na is replaced by E. Same thing. Kri plus Ni plus Te. Kri Ni Te. Kri plus Ni plus Se. Kri Ni Se. Then Kri Ni She. te ite ante se ate ate se ate dve. Shattam happens. Understand?
Understand.
Yes. Then
Yes.
here, what is the pratyaya here? Okay, that will come later. Then here, kri plus shna plus dve. Dve is aladi. Sarvadhatuka. Sarvadhatuka nit pratyaya. Therefore, krini dve. Similarly, krini magi, krini magi. What about other places? Here, ate, kri plus shna plus ate. Ajadi sarvadhatuka nit pratyaya follows. Apit pratyaya nitvat bhavati. Therefore, what happens to na? What happens to na? A will drop.
I will drop. I will drop.
And the pratyaya is ate. So that way A will be there. Krinate. Te ate. Te ate, not ante. Ate. Ante only for 14610. Huh? For other gana, atmane, and that too for atmane pada is anataha. Not ante, ate. All those things we are going to see. So there also, kri plus shna plus ate. Ajadi pratyaya follows. Therefore, shna pratyayasya akarasya lopaka bhavati. Therefore, kri nate. Here the pratyaya is ate. Understand?
Understand.
Te, ate, ate. You need to know, all the pratyas. Se, ate, dve. Ye, vahi, mahi. Right? Te, ite, ante, se, ite, dve. Ye, vahi, mahi. Is it vahi, mahi? No. Wrong, no? Vahe, mahe. It's a mistake, huh? Vahe, mahe. How can be vahi, mahi, huh? You're not doing lang lakara. Vahe, mahe. It's a mistake. Here, what is the pratyaya? Ye, vahe, mahe. Ye is ajadi pratyaya. Follows. Therefore, shna, will, what will happen? It will drop. Therefore, kreen plus ye, kreen. Simple. Understand? Please try this as your homework. Then only you'll get it.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Clear. Very nice.
Sarvadha, again I say, we are going to see little, all those things with other sutra. That time we will see more elaborately. I mean, yeah. So for your, this thing, I show you. Yeah, please see. This is the color coding. Please see. All Sarvadhataka pit pratyas are marked yellow in color. That which are apit, if it is aladi in this color, that is light, green, I think, whatever color it is, then this is something like, brownish red, some color. Ajadi. Okay. This is now.
Ajadi.
This is the
But this
Tipta Shri Siddhasta Mitpasma Tatamja Tasatamda Mitpaki. This is original pratyaya. Okay. Depending on the
okay.
lakara, something will happen. That will change. Yeah. What's the question?
So okay, understood. So then it will
Depending on
become
the
anti.
lakaras. This is the original lakara. And this original
Yes.
lakara, whatever it is applicable for lat lakara. Lang lakara. But lot lakara, there will be some changes. Ling lakara, there will be some more changes. Okay.
Okay. This G will be replaced maybe for anti. Then that's why you mark it as Aj.
That's why anti. That's why I marked it. Later it will be replaced by anti. Therefore I marked it as in that color. It's going to happen. We know. That's why I've done it already. G also and here are Ja also. It's going to be replaced by ate or ante depending on the dhatu which kana is. It's going to happen. That's why I marked it like that. Now, lakaras are of two types. All those things, these things we'll discuss in detail later. What are the two types lakara? Tit lakara and nit lakara. What are the tit lakaras? Tit lakara, lat, lot, lang, lut.
Okay.
Rit.
Yes, correct.
All those are tit lakara. Takara is it. So somehow here I have given only Sarvadhatuka lakaras. I have not given Ardhadhatuka lakaras. Out of scope now. Don't worry about it. We are going to see only Sarvadhatuka lakara. That itself is a big thing. Each gana we have to see. All the Sarvadhatuka lakaras, 4 lakaras. So among that's why I have given Sarvadhatuka tit lakara or let and load. Right? Sarvadhatuka nit lakara is lung and ling. Please don't confuse this Ngakara with Atmanepadi. Huh? Don't do that mistake. Ngakara is italated in what is that? Anudata Ngitaha Atmanepadam we have seen Sutram, remember? The Dhatu Pata, Dhatus having a G as a italated, that is Ngit Dhatu, Ngit Dhatavaha, Atmanepadinaha. Remember? Yes or no?
Yes.
Forgotten, no?
No.
Like the Dhatu, you know, many
Not
dhatus are
forget.
there. Ding dhatu, Ngakara is italator. Shung dhatu, Ing dhatu, all are Atmanepadi. Ngakara is italator. The swara of the italator is Anudata, or the dhatu Ngakara as italator. Then the dhatu is Atmanepadi, right? We have seen. But don't think this here Ngakara is italator, therefore this Lakara is Atmanepadi. Not like that. Here Ngakara is italator, given for some other purpose, not for making the dhatu into a Atmanepadi.
Meaning,
Dhatu is
meaning,
Parasipadi or Atmanepadi indicated by the letter of the dhatu, not by the pratyaya. Understand?
yes.
This is, we may mix up. You understand what is pati?
Yes.
Dhatu is Atmanepadi or Parasipadi indicated by the letter of the dhatu, not by the pratyaya of the dhatu. Not the pratyaya which you add. So here Ngit is added means some reason it is added. A group of operation for Ngit Lakara will happen. So for you can say Ngit Lakara this operation will happen. You can do it. For Tit Lakara this operation will happen. So for commonly we'll do it. That's the idea. We'll see all those things later. Yes, sir. What's the question?
No question. Nice.
So now only Sarvadhatuka, the 4 lakaras first we are going to learn. Let in this order, let, lung, load, link. There is a reason why it is. So these are 2 are Tit lakaras, Sarvadhatuka lakara, 2 are Nit lakaras. Now, here you can see the color coding. So Adantanga meaning?
Anga
14610.
Correct.
14610.
Yes.
For the Lat lakara, the color coding is given. This is not required anywhere given. You can see. Tita, now you see Titaha and Ti. Okay. Ajadidatu. The for color is. So Tip, Sip, Mip, Sarvadhatuka Pit. Rest are Apit. You can classify based on Ajadi or Haladi. Apit.
Yes.
Then.
Nice.
So if you make it like this, then Sip, Tip, Sip, Mip means when followed Angakara will happen, provided Dhatu ending with the Anga, equator or penalty made shortic. For other things, it will not happen. Either you do Sandhi Karya or whatever Karyas happen that you do it. Simple. For Anadantanga, this is the tip. You see, Anadantanga. Tip, Sip, Pip, that is common. The rest are what? Apit. And the last one here it is not Ante, it is Athe. That is why Krinite, we saw, sorry, what is it? Krinite, Krinate, Krinate. We just now we saw.
Yes.
Ate, it is not Ante. So for Anadantanga, Atmanepadi, Anadantanga referring to what ganas? 2, 3, other than 1, 4, 6, 10, simple. Right? Other than 1, 4, 6, 10, Anadantanga. Then if the Dhatu is Atmanepadi, then Atmanepadi, Dhatu is Atmanepadi, then it is Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam will be Ate, not Ante. Please note. Atmanepadeshu. Anataha, one sutram is there. Athe. Okay, this is about lat lakara, simple. You can remember this. This chart alone, I put this screenshot I will send you. Will be useful. Later, I will send you the whole file. I'll explain. Otherwise, you will not understand what is this. Lot of sutrams are there. We are going to see that. That is the next topic, in fact. Our next topic, after some more sutras, we have to see. What is Anga we have not seen. What is Anga? Yasmat Pratyavidiki Tadadi Pratya Angam. Then Anga Karyam. We have to see. All those things we need to see. After seeing that,
Oh,
then we will see how this Pratyas undergoes changes for different lakaras. All those things we are going to see. But this one, you can remember. I'm sending you a screenshot of this.
Yes.
nice.
You please, already we have covered. Have we learned anything new? Or nothing new. Already we have covered two rounds. This is the third round. Just quick, the format I'm putting it, and we're saying this. In fact, we have seen up to the sutram. What is the last sutram? You know? What's the last sutram? We have seen Churadibhyaha Yetumati Nich. Satasi Lilitoho. I think up to that we have seen 221. Now we are doing revision.
Yes,
Understand? Okay.
understood.
I sent you this. Don't try to remember everything and slowly commit this to your memory. We'll see. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. Please study in your leisure.
Yes,
Dhanyavadaha.
Yeah.
thank you.